Want to install a solar inlet on your camper? Here's how. First, clean and degrease the roof, then place the inlet in your desired location. We now want to drill 2 holes for our cables to feed through. Using the inlet as a template, mark the distance between the 2 entry glands. Drill the 2 holes through the roof using a 10mm drill bit. I'm drilling through fiberglass, but if your roof is made of metal, be sure to seal those raw edges with paint or red oxide to prevent it from rusting. Now grab some rubber grommets with a 6mm inner diameter and place them in the holes. This will protect the cables as they're fed through. Grab your solar inlet and thread the cables through the inlet and then through the roof. We're now going to adhere it using Sikaflex 522, which I'll leave a link for in the description. Lay a small bead of the adhesive in the recess of the inlet, push it into position, and then lay a weight on top. Whilst it cures, tape off around the edges and apply a further bead of Sikaflex. Using some warm, soapy water, wet your finger and run it along the edge to get a nice smooth finish. Give it 24 hours to cure, then remove the weight. And finally hand tighten the glands, then give it half a turn with a wrench to ensure a watertight seal. And that's how to install a solar inlet on your camper.